Researchers develop electronic soil that enhances crop growth. This is according to Linköping University. Barley seedlings grow on average 50% more when their root system is stimulated electrically through a new cultivation substrate. In a study published in the journal PNAS, researchers from Linköping University have developed an electrically conductive soil for soilless cultivation known as hydroponics. The world population is increasing and we also have climate change, so it's clear that we won't be able to cover the food demands of the planet with only the already existing agricultural method. But the with hydroponics we can grow food also in urban environments in very controlled settings, says Eleni Stavrinidou, Associate Professor at the Laboratory of Organic Electrics in Linköping University, leader of the Electronic Plants Group. Her research group has now developed an electrically conductive cultivation substrate tailored to hydroponic cultivation that they call e-soil. The Linköping University researchers have shown that barley seedlings grown in the conductive soil grew up to 50% more in 15 days when their roots were stimulated electrically. Hydroponic cultivation means that plants grow without soil, needing only water, nutrients, and something their roots can attach to, a substrate. It's a closed system that enables water recirculation so that each seedling gets exactly the nutrients it needs. Therefore, very little water is required, and all nutrients remain in the system, which is not possible in traditional cultivation. Hydroponics also enables vertical cultivation in large towers to maximize space efficiency. Crops already being cultivated in this manner include lettuce, herbs, and some vegetables. Grains are not typically grown in hydroponics apart for their use as fodder. In this study, the researchers show that barley seedlings can be cultivated using hydroponics and that they have a better growth rate thanks to electrical stimulation. In this way, we can get seedlings to grow faster with less resources. We don't yet know how it actually works, which biological mechanisms that are involved, and what we have found is that seedlings process nitrogen more effectively, but it's not clear yet how the electrical stimulation impacts this process, says Stavrinidou. Mineral wool is often used as cultivation substrate in hydroponics. Not only is this non-biodegradable, but this also produced with very energy-intensive process. The electronic cultivation substrate e-soil is made of cellulose, the most abundant biopolymer mixed with a conductive polymer called PDOT. And this combination is such as now not new, but this is the first time it's been used for plant cultivation and for creating an interface for plants in this manner. Previous research has used high voltage to stimulate the roots. The advantage of the Linköping researchers' soil is that it has very low energy consumption and no high voltage danger. Stavrinidou believes that the new study will open the pathway for new research areas to develop further hydroponic cultivation. We can't say that hydroponics will solve the problem of food security, but it can definitely help, particularly in areas with little arable land and with harsh environmental conditions, she says. This is from the Linköping University on phys.org. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.